Namaste. Find a comfortable position sitting. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. And as you breathe, feel the body completely relax. Now interlock the hands and make a big, wide circle to loosen the shoulder and neck area. Then begin to circle the arms in the opposite direction. And now clasp your palms so that they're facing outward. And continue the circling movement to loosen in the shoulder and neck area. And circle in the other direction. Relax the arms. Now drop the head down to the center of the chest and begin circling the head, loosening tension from the neck muscles. If it's comfortable, the head will circle all the way back and around. Or if not, a simple side-to-side movement, and then reverse the direction. Feeling all of the muscles in the neck. And then bring the head to center. And extend both of your legs in front. Point and flex the feet, stretching the toes, waking up the legs. And now beginning a circular movement of the feet to lubricate the ankles in both directions. And then relax. Bring the soles of the feet together, knees open wide, and we begin a gentle movement to loosen and open in the hip joint. Butterfly pose. Increasing circulation to the hip joint. And waking up the inner thighs. Now come onto the hands and knees. As you breathe in, look up, pointing the tailbone up. And as you exhale, sink back to the heels and rest the head. As you inhale, looking up, tailbone up. As you exhale, sinking back to the heels, resting the head, and continuing between these two movements at your own pace and rhythm. And then coming back onto the hands and knees, extending your right leg and left arm, and bringing elbow and knee together, and then extending away. A few times together and away, and then to the other side. The left leg extends, right arm extends, elbow and knee towards one another and away. And continue this movement, strengthening our balance. And then relax. Come onto the hands and knees and into plank pose, a high push-up position, strengthening the arms, the shoulders, and the core. Lower all the way down onto the front of the body and rest for a moment. Come onto your elbows, face resting in the palm of the hands, and alternate, bringing one foot and then the other towards you and away from you. Feeling this in the legs, spine, and back. And then rest. Head relaxes down, legs relax. Hold onto your right foot with your right hand and relax and lengthen the right thigh. Relax your right leg. Hold onto your left foot. And breathe and relax the left thigh. And then relax. Arms are beside you. As you breathe in, the whole body lifts, legs, arms, and head. And as you exhale, relax. Continue this movement to strengthen all of the muscles of the back of the body. And one more time, lifting and lowering. Now bring the hands underneath of the shoulders, lifting up in cobra, and letting the head relax down. And now press back to the heels in child's pose. And as you're ready, coming up into downward facing dog. Opening the backs of the legs and stretching the spine. Pressing the hands firmly into the floor. Step forward with your right foot, coming into a lunge position. Bringing palms together at the heart. And then bring the hands down and step back into downward dog or child's pose. Taking a few breaths before stepping forward with your left foot. Low lunge, steady eye gaze, palms together at the heart. And now stepping forward into a forward fold. Letting the arms hang, allowing the head to hang. Opening the backs of the legs. And slowly rolling up into standing. Reaching the arms above the head. And drawing the palms down to the heart. Interlock your hands, palms facing the sky. Inhale, extend your arms upward and bend towards the right side. Come back to center and bend towards the left. And back to center and fold forward. Step back with your right leg into a lunge. Palms together at the heart. And step into plank pose. Lowering on to the front of the body and into cobra. And pressing back to the heels and into downward dog. And stepping forward with that right foot in low lunge, palms at the heart. And stepping into a forward fold and rolling up into standing, reaching the arms upward and drawing them down to the heart. Interlock your hands, palms facing the sky. Stretch the arms upward. Bend to your right. And back to center. And to the left. And back to center. Coming into a forward fold. Stepping back with the left foot. You can keep the knee on or off the ground, high or low lunge. Stepping back into plank pose, lowering onto the belly and into cobra. Pressing back to the heels and lifting up into downward facing dog. And stepping forward with the left foot, high or low lunge. And stepping into a forward fold. And slowly rolling up into standing, arms reaching upward and palms together at the heart. Shifting your weight to your right foot, coming into tree pose. Left foot is against the thigh, and palms can start at the heart and reach upward. And now relax and come to the other side of tree pose. And then relax and release your right foot. And we'll come down into a squat if you'd like to have something underneath of your heels as you come down into a wide squat with elbows on the inside of the knees, palms together. And finding a slight reaching through the spine and the crown of the head. Take a few more breaths. And then come down into sitting, into a comfortable sitting pose for a seated twist. With the left arm behind us, right hand on the knee, and turn and twist over to the left. Breathing into your twist and spine, and then unwind. Bring the left hand on the right knee, right hand behind, as you turn and twist to the right side. And then unwind and release. So now come forward on your mat, knees bent, arms reaching wide, and slowly lower onto your back and spine. And once you get there, relax your legs, relax your arms, close your eyes, and relax the whole body. And tune in to the rhythm of your inhalation and exhalation. Allowing your breathing to be effortless, without effort. You are aware of breath, and breathing becomes very soft and subtle. Rest your awareness at your heart. And now gently wake up your hands and feet. Stretch your arms and your legs. Roll over onto one side and come up into sitting. Taking a few moments to feel relaxed, at ease, and open in your body. If you'd like, you can bring your hands into Lotus Mudra at the heart, offering your practice for the well-being of all.